Hey guys, welcome back to Magma Phoenix 10. Today I'm doing another random video. I got my mum in the background and I'll be showing you guys my school dance, and I'm not going to say anything about my school because you know why. So I'll grab my iPad and put the song on. The thing is, there's more than one person, so I'm not doing a kind of like solo kind of thing. So yeah, I have to find the setup and then the song. Oh, who's this? Come on. I think this is it. Oh, here's the ad. Well, I don't know what that was. Here we go. Okay, I'll get my setup. Hopefully you can hear the music. Oh. That you've heard some of it now. Oh my god. Here, I need to find a good setup. That's a good setup. Oh god, we're gonna hit.
Watch out.
Look, this light. Are you kidding me? Okay, that's my dance for school. That was actually really annoying. I'm not much of a dance person. I'm more of a music style person. Today shoutouts, won't do anything crazy like in my other videos. I'll just do it next to the pool. Just heads up, this isn't my house. It's my grandfather's. I'll do it with his Athena's statue. Okay, today's shout outs goes to Cody Maslin. He's a really cool flipper. Go check him out. And also shout outs to my friend Caleb Kennedy. He's only just started his YouTube channel. So go smash his like and subscribe. And do the same for me because, dudes, we're on the road to 30 subscribers. Remember that time for war thing I talked to you guys about? Yeah, I'm beating Matilda. If you put both of her channels, one of her channels got 12 subscribers, the other one has got 20. Guess how much I've got? 21 subscribers, so I'm beating her. Thank you guys for your support. Really appreciate it. And yeah, see you in the next video. Goodbye.